It's just got an extension on there, brother.
No, it is. It's totally extended out.
It's for short people.
I was gonna say, everything's built for short people.
Look how fast that thing's going. What I did is I dug it out more, Tom, so it doesn't now it's not outgassing. I dug it deeper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very good. Very good.
I tried to pull that thing up. Lock. Unlock.
And you're good. You're
There we
good.
go.
Man, perfect.
So you did about 7.5 feet, Juan. How many minutes do you think that took you? How long did it take you to do that? You gotta guess. 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
It's the last door on the left.
2-3 minutes, yeah.
To your left.
What's this?
Yeah.
3 minutes?
3 minutes? Oh, okay. That's good. So
It's looking
you did
good.
8 feet in 3 minutes. So let's say you did
24.
24 feet in an hour?
No, $24.
No, I'm just going by how much did you do in an hour?
Oh.
You did 8 feet in 3
Yeah,
minutes.
but he was kind of going back and getting used to it and stuff. When you're good at it.
60, so that's 20, so 8 times 20, so that's 160 feet in an hour.
I don't know. Making me do math.